Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing another grocery haul for you guys. I did one of these a couple weeks or probably a month ago, to be honest, and I don't know, I just really like to be nosy and see what other people buy, so I like these types of videos. So hopefully you guys do too and find this video interesting or helpful in any way. I don't know how it could be helpful, but basically it's just being nosy, you know, and getting to see what other people eat, which, by the way guys, I am no nutritionist at all or any, like, I don't eat 100% healthy, like, ever. So, like, I do try to, like, try to eat vegetables at, like, dinner and stuff like that, and I try to buy fruit. But, like, I just don't completely eat healthy all the time. So you're going to notice that throughout this haul is that I have a lot of junk food. And my husband doesn't eat hardly anything healthy. So here is my grocery haul. I hope you guys find this video helpful. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're just going to start over in one little corner. And I just want to tell you guys that everything here that we purchased today was bought at Food Lion, which is a local grocery store that the East Coast has a lot of them. So if you guys live out on the West Coast or anywhere not on the East Coast, I don't really know if they have Food Lions, but I personally think Food Lions are really affordable. They have sales like all the time. Every single week they will have a different sale, and it's really nice because certain things will be on sale and then you can buy them for an affordable price. So I just wanted to mention that. If you do have a Food Lion but you've never been to one, maybe you should go check it out because I think it's pretty affordable. So I'm going to start over here, and today I'll just give you guys a quick overview really fast. So here's a corner of stuff. I got a corner over there, and then I got all this stuff like over here, and this was $80 worth. So that's what $80 bought me today. And I got some stuff down here as well. So here, first off, I had to get the cats some cat food, so that's the kind of cat food that they eat. We go through water a lot. So that's that. I got this bread. I'm really excited to try it. Having focus issues here. Okay, there we go. It's Nature Harvest Honey 7 Grain. Really good. I'm really excited to try it. I like trying healthy breads or anything that has like this fancy little seed stuff on it. I don't know. I like this kind of stuff. So then we bought some bananas, halos, which are awesome. They have no seeds in them. If you guys have never had halos, I love them. And I bought a bag of baby carrots, some broccoli, and my husband picked out this Red Baron pizza because there's a pizza up in the freezer already that is more like pizza for me that he picked out or something a while back. And he likes to eat a lot of pizza. Like, he could probably eat that whole freaking thing, which is not good, but yeah, we kind of overdo it when we eat pizza. So we got a 12-pack of Pepsi because it was a really good deal. It was like $2.70 or something in a 12-pack, which is a really great price on a 12-pack. I picked out some breakfast stuff that was on sale as well. I got some sausage. Sorry, I'm having step up on my chair here so you can see a little better here. Having a hard time focusing here. I got some sausage. And I also got some bacon back there. Crooker's pot roast seasoning mix because tomorrow I'm going to try to make a roast in my crock pot. So I just picked up a seasoning packet of that. I got some orange juice because if you guys have heard me talk about that before, I'm obsessed. I have it every morning just about. It's, you know, I love orange juice. So then I had to get some popcorn. I'm also a popcorn fanatic. If you guys didn't know that about me, I love popcorn. Like, I love whenever I'm watching a movie, I gotta have popcorn and some Pepsi or Coke or something. Like, I just love that combination. And then over here, I picked out these Nature Valley trail mix bars for lunch this week, and I picked that those are mine. They're semi better healthy than most things. So over here, my husband is obsessed with these caramel cookie bars by Little Debbie. So he got those for his lunch. I got some fudge striped snack cakes. They're just exactly like zebra cakes, except they're the Food Lion brand, and I love zebra cakes. So I just got those. And then guys, I'm telling you right now, if you guys have a Food Lion, definitely next time you go, get this ice cream and try it and tell me what you think about it because me and my husband are obsessed. Like, I really like it. It's the Food Lion brand, so it's really cheap. The sale price today was 2 for $4, so it was only $2. and it's chocolate peanut butter cup and fudge swirl. Guys, it is awesome. It has like fudge pieces in it with peanut butter in it. It's really, really good. So I love it. Back here I picked out some scalloped potatoes for a dinner side. My husband picked out these hamburger helpers that we could have one night just for like an easy meal. Hamburger helpers, I'm talking too fast. Hamburger helper is a really good quick and easy meal, so I like those. Yeah, we had to get some cheese, so we just got those Borden single cheese. So I picked out strudels because I'm a breakfast freak, and as you will see, there's a lot of I normally have a lot of breakfast items that I buy, and I am sweating to death, guys. It is so freaking hot in here because it's really hot outside today. So moving over here to my next little section, I have some double stuffed Oreos. Those are my cookies because I love Oreos. It's my favorite cookie. And I picked out some strawberry applesauce. I think it's awesome. It makes a great lunch snack. And I just think overall the taste of it is just, it's great applesauce for store-bought applesauce. So I got me some tuna. I make tuna sandwiches every week for my lunch. I live off tuna sandwiches, like literally love tuna. And plus tuna is actually healthy for you, so I love tuna. So then I got some cans of pears and some peaches. Back there we had to get some ketchup, and we had needed Miracle Whip because we was out of that. And up front they were having a pretty good deal on the Yoplait yogurt. So we got 10 of them for $5, I think. And yes, me and my husband both will be eating this. He likes yogurt more than I do, but I do like these Yoplait yogurts. They are pretty good. Peanut butter Pop-Tarts, those are my favorite ones, which you guys have heard me talk about those. My husband picked out the cinnamon roll for him, which I don't know, guys. I might have to dig into that one and try it out because I love anything cinnamon. So my husband got his Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal, and I also really like that cereal. It's pretty good. And I picked out the Oats and More with Honey cereal. I just recently tried the Special K Oats and Honey, and I loved it so much. And I couldn't find it there at Food Lion. I think I bought it at a Shop and Save. But they did have the Food Lion brand of oats and honey, so I figured it's like the same exact thing, you know, but it's also cheaper. So I bought that for me. I got me some bagels because I am a bagel eater in the morning with cream cheese. I love that for breakfast. So I got some bagels. And back here, my last little section, I picked up a bag of spinach because I eat spinach on my sandwiches, like my tuna sandwiches. I'll put spinach on there. Also like to cook spinach, and it's great for salads. I love spinach. Plus, that is pretty healthy. So if anything healthy, guys, today I got some spinach and I got some bananas and carrots and some broccoli. You know, that's about it. Over here, my husband picked out these cookies, which are the vanilla cream sandwich cookies, and these are pretty cheap. Also, another thing I wanted to say about Food Lion is that after you buy your stuff, they print out the receipt and they come out with all these coupons for you. So next time you go, you'll have some coupons to use if you want to use that, which is pretty cool because a lot of places don't do that, but Food Lion does. So I like that about Food Lion. And alright, where was I? Back here in the corner, the last couple of items are just some chips. We gotta have our chips. Fritos were on sale today, so we got those because, oh my god, I love these. These are mine. They're the honey barbecue twists. I love them freaking things. My husband just likes the regular barbecue ones. And then back here we got some Utz Southern Sweet Heat, which those are really awesome. If you guys have ever tried those, I love them. Like, they're great. So yeah, that's pretty much all of my stuff. And also randomly, I had to pick up some Scott wipes for the bathroom. I think you guys have heard me talk about the wipes. I like to keep those handy. They are great. So yeah, I got those. So that's pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's grocery haul. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and just got to be a little bit nosy today and seeing what all goodies I bought. And basically it's all junk except for like a few things, like I said. But yeah, I love these types of videos. I love getting to see what other people buy. And it gives me ideas sometimes when people buy certain types of food, like if they're gonna make a certain dinner, then I can kind of be like, oh, well, I want to try to make that, so then I know what to go out and buy. And plus it's just like, I don't know, just seeing what other people's lifestyles like and what they eat and stuff. And you know, not all places probably sell all the same kind of stuff. I mean, if you live in America, you got this crap, but like it's just interesting. I actually like watching videos of people that don't live in America. Like, I like watching to see what they eat, and a lot of people that don't live here in the US eat way differently than what we eat. Like, they eat a lot of different stuff, they have a lot of different stuff, and like, I don't know, I just find it interesting. So hopefully those people over there are like watching us here in the US. I don't know, but yeah, so that is all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up for me, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. I make videos every single week, and I'm almost to 550 subscribers right now, which is pretty insane. I'm pretty excited, and I would not have made it that far if it wasn't for you guys. So thanks for supporting me. It really means a lot. I'm really passionate about making videos here on YouTube, and I'm just random. If you guys haven't noticed, my channel is very random. I don't want to just make one certain type of video. I want to make multiple types of different videos because honestly, that's my personality. I'm very random. I'm a random person. I like doing random things. I like to do multiple things than just focusing on one type of thing. You know what I mean? So I hope you guys are enjoying all my random videos. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. I love you guys so very much. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.